This is a lesson about how to use a voice recorder over a Google slideshow. Now, in the past, you might have used PowerPoint and you were able to do audio recordings directly within the PowerPoint document, but that is not possible with Google Slides. You have to actually use a third-party provider of an audio recording in order to insert audio files. The one that comes with Windows does not work. You'll have to convert all of them. So I'm using one, as you can see here, called onlinevoicerecorder.com. It's free, it's easy, and I love it. So I'm going to show you how to use this one. You can see I've come to the website here. And in order for me to start recording, I just hit the red button. Now I'm going to be recording over this slideshow. I'm going to actually go to the slide I'm going to start with. Now, you don't have to have the slideshow open if you know exactly what you're going to say. I never know what I'm going to say, so I like to have my presentations open. So here we have a slide on the Red Cross and the Red Crescent Societies. I'm going to go back to my online voice recorder, and I'm going to hit the red button. And as soon as I do, I'm going to flip back over to the copy of the slideshow and start reading what's on the screen. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. The Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. Description. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies provide assistance to victims of disasters. Okay, so I would keep going on and recording whatever I needed to. And when I was done, I would flip back to the online voice recorder and hit the red button to stop. Now, as you can see on the voice recorder here, I have a lot left at the beginning because it took me a while to move over. So I can just trim it by sliding the bar over. It's that easy to do. Okay. And when you're done, you want to click Save. Okay. Now on the bottom here of your screen, you can see it saved it. And I'm going to right mouse click on that. And I'm going to say Show in Folder. The reason I'm doing that is because, unlike most people, I never have any idea where my stuff is being saved. But by clicking that right mouse key, I see it saved in my Downloads folder. So here it is. It's the last recording I have. I'm going to delete some of these others in here. I'm going to go ahead and right mouse click on that and rename it. I'll just call this one, whatever, presentation slide 1. Okay. And I can go ahead and X out of that, and I'm back in my voice recorder. Now, I have lots of slides I need to do this for. So I might go to the next slide, go back to my online voice recorder, close out the one I just did. I was done editing it. I'm sure I'm finished editing, and start the process over again. And I would do that for each slide until I'm ready to upload them to my Google Drive. So one thing about Google presentations, you cannot insert audio files from your computer. You have to have them stored on your drive. So I'm going to go to my drive, and I'm going to go to the location where I want to upload these MP4 files. It doesn't matter where you do it. Okay, just you have to do, or MP3, excuse me. You have to upload them now. So I'm going to click on New. I'm going to choose File Upload. I'm going to click to the directory. In this case, it's the Downloads directory. It's where I just was. And I'm going to find the file that I want to upload, or files. If I had 10 of them, I would select all 10, hit Open, and you'll see the upload screen on the right-hand side. Okay. When the upload's complete, you'll get a notification, and you can cancel out of that. And you can go back to your slideshow, and now we're ready to insert the audio file. Inserting the audio file is very easy. You just hit Insert Audio. You just go to Recents, and all the things you just uploaded will probably be right here for you. But if you just want to find it by name, I knew this was called Presentation Slide 1. You can do that. And it puts a nice little icon in there that can be moved around and resized. And you would keep doing this for every slide that you had an audio file for. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, let me know.